You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more correct but confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. I believe I've seen 3 references of 3 different pronunciations. Piezoelectricity, or electricity as the Americans would say, so piezo. It's also pronounced as piezoelectricity and piezoelectricity. Different dictionaries, different references reference those 3. I would go with piezoelectricity because this one is simpler, but it's piezo, piezo, or piezo. It's up to you. How do you pronounce it? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.